Cardstock Freshies have been my obsession, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial showing you how I make these. I found that it's a lot easier for me to purchase cardstock just because I don't have as much time. So all of these are from Simply Sienna on Facebook. The mold is from E Squared, and like I said, cardstock is from Sienna, and I'll link all of the materials that I use in the notes. So first things first, you need to flip your cardstock face down and make sure you push them into the mold, into the correct spot. This tutorial will show with the glitter cardstock drip and then also with the can drip. There's an option to do it without the glitter drip, and I will show that in a different video. But you're going to face both of them face down, and then I use these hole savers in order to save my holes. And then I'm going to use this yellow mica from E Squared called Sunflower to color my beads. And just like any freshie, you're going to fill your mold up to your preferred preference, and then I bake at 325 degrees for about 20 minutes. Once it's ready, you can pop it out of the mold and then take out your hole savers if you use them. I use 2 holes because it helps keep it facing the front a lot easier. And then I totally forgot when I was filming this and I strung it first, but I usually wait until the end just because it gets in the way. So I use Sharpie paint pens to color in the details on the can. And then once you've colored in your details, you're finished with this one, which is why it's one of my favorites. It really is just such a quick and easy one to make.